My name is Marc Lamb. We are obviously a very happy homeowner with 365 Custom Turf. They have done an absolutely phenomenal job for our dream backyard. The old yard was probably our biggest regret in our home. The grass was never really fully grown. It was never fully green. Now we have year-round green, and we could not be happier. Any challenges that we had, they were immediately there to fix them. Any adjustments we needed to make, they were willing to make adjustments. Even some new turf that we'd never seen anybody else do before, like sand traps, was something that they were willing to do. So we were very excited and very happy with the work that they've done. I've never had a company that was more apt to supporting us. They supported our ideas. They supported everything about what we were trying to accomplish. Even more than that, I would say 365 Custom Turf delivered our dream backyard.